everyone, it's author Sandra Wilson, and this is another creativity clip. So I just give a couple of minutes in a video to inspire story. And we've talked before about creating characters, and you can check out those clips if you want to create a new character and just have some fun with creativity and storytelling. So today I want to talk about setting, and setting is where your story takes place. So sometimes it all might take place in the same, maybe it's a castle and there's different rooms in the castle, but the setting itself is a castle. Sometimes you may change the setting. In Hansel and Gretel, they start at the woodcutter's home, they go through the woods, and then they're in the gingerbread house. So there's 3 different settings there. So it's the idea today is to have a little bit of fun in creating a setting for your character. And the idea that I have is kind of like a game, so that you can kind of change up your setting and then maybe find what best setting suits your character or suits the story that you want to tell. So to do this, just take a paper plate. So this is a party plate that we had from our birthday. And then you want to use the blank side, okay? And then you use those little brad paper fasteners. They go through, and then you fold over the other side. But what I want you to do on your plate is draw pictures or cut out pictures of different settings. So maybe it's a desert, maybe it's an ocean, maybe it's a forest, and glue them all around. You can divide it up. So create an X and then and a cross, and divide it into sections and paste a setting onto each of those sections. And then you create an arrow. So what you ended up with is like a spinner, like this, like a spinner with a game. Now I have a picture and a word just so it's clear, and I use this for all kids, so not all kids can read, so they can also see the pictures of where the castle, the forest, the desert, what else I have, outer space, a playground, a farm, an iceberg, so all sorts of different places. So then you have your character, and maybe it's one of the characters you created in one of the other creativity clips, or maybe you'd like to just create a character, or maybe you just like to take yourself. And then you spin the spinner, and this one points to a playground. So now you can create a story of your character at a playground. And so that's kind of fun, because sometimes maybe you'll have something like a monkey that ends up on an iceberg. Oh my goodness. So that creates a problem as well, which is another aspect of telling a story, the problem to solve. And so some of that could be because of the setting that you have. So create yourself a spinner of settings and have some fun telling a story. All right, I hope this creativity clip has inspired a story in you. I'd love to hear it if you want to share it with me. And stay tuned for another creativity clip later. Bye.